Hello, in this video I want to show you how to configure Honor 200 for senior person. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings. Inside in the search, enter simple. Then there's the simple mode, we can enable it. And as you can see, our interface has changed. All of the icons, including also text, have become much bigger. Also, when we try to enter settings, they are limited and much more accessible. So there's all of the important settings that you can find right here. If you want to find all of them, click on More Settings in the bottom right corner. And if you want to leave the simple mode, click on Exit Simple Mode. And that is all, for me at least, that we should do to configure this device for a senior person. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.